Hello, Japanator Gamer here. Welcome back to Visual Novel English Xpedition. Bishoujo Senshi Sailor Moon for the PC Engine. Last time, all the Sailor Senshi and Luna and Artemis talked about whether or not Nephrite could be trusted. So let's see what happens with that now. Let's just listen to this music for a second because it's so good. It never gets old. I love it. Let's go ahead and get started here. Continue from save file 1. The fitness test. What a pain in the ass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
逃げも隠れもしないその度胸褒めてあげてよ。
You with the guts not to run or hide. I give you my compliments.
はあ?
Huh? Who are you? I'm the new queen of TA Girls University. Miroku. What?
日のレイさん、今日こそこの TA 女学院の女王の座をかけて。
Hinore, this day bringing forth my position as queen of TA Girls College.
勝負よ。
I challenge thee.
え?
What? So we got 50-meter dash, we've got the long jump, and we got the repeated horizontal jump. Let's do the 50-meter dash. And this is just explanation of how to play. So push one button really fast. Alright, let's see if I can win. Button mashing skills, go! Come on, go, 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 go! You can do it, yeah! Suck it! Most intense game ever! I love that face for the victory. Oh man, that's fantastic. I thought I'd have at least a bit more of a challenge. Well, whatever. So frustrating! Battle once more. Maybe I'll do the other mini-games in a bonus video, but I don't think I want to do them right now. So we've got do it again, quit, or talk to Miroku-in. So I think I'll do the other ones and talk to Miroku-in in a bonus video. And I'll just continue with the story for now. Let us end things here for today. Ray, I shall someday take the position of Queen of the School. Well then, good day. Seriously, what the hell is with her? So, in the end, this duty circles around to me.
まあ、みんな女の子だし、学校だってあるし、見張りなんてのは確かに猫の方が世話ないからわかるけどね。
Well, you are all girls and you all have school, and I guess people don't really rely on cats for keeping watch, so I guess I understand.
わあでも退屈。やっぱりウサギちゃんの言う通り、ネフライトは本物で改心もしたのかしら。
But it's so boring. It's just as Usagi said. I wonder if Nephrite really is the real Nephrite and has actually changed.
Prince!
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 Prince! 我々は言いなりはもうたくさんだ。
We're tired of doing just as we're told.
月の王国のやり方には我慢できません。
We can't endure what the Moon Kingdom is doing anymore.
我々を支配者気取りで一方的に監視するなど。
We can't just sit here being one-sidedly monitored by these fake rulers.
立ち上がりましょう、プリンス。
Let's rise up, Prince!
逆にこちらが月の王国を支配してやるのです。
Instead, we should dominate the Moon Kingdom.
プリンス
Prince!
なぜ争おうとする？
Why must we fight?
いつ言いなりになったというんだ？
When have things been exactly as I said?
監視されているだと？
You say we're being monitored?
わからないのか？
Do you not understand?
あいつは我々を利用しようとしているのだぞ。
They're planning on utilizing us.
再生のショックで失われた過去の記憶を取り戻すか。
From the shock of rebirth, my lost memories from the past are returning.
あまりにも遅すぎる。
It may be too late. Alright, let's end things off there for today. Can't wait to see what happens next. Hope you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time on Visual Novel English Xpedition, Bishoujo Senshi Sailor Moon for the PC Engine. See you next time. And let's make sure to save this time. Save a number